Adobo sa gata, guys, with papaya. Adobo chicken sa gata with papaya. Patatas. This is the veggie. Now, I will add the chicken. Because the chicken is cooked already. Now, time to add the chicken. Chicken. Now, we'll do is add more coconut milk. Then we'll cook it again. Ayan po. Adobo sa gata. Yummy, yummy. Sarap yan, guys. Got the sauce. Spicy adobo sa gata chicken. Sabaw pa lang, guys, ulam na, oh. Sarap. Kain na na. Kapagtutom. Okay, that's it. Adobo sa gata.